Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Vanity Culture. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today I'm going to show you how to do this easy peasy look right here for work. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before I start my makeup, I quickly hydrate and prep my skin with my favorite Forest Essential Rose Water Mist. And then using Vaseline lip balm to keep my lips moisturized throughout the day. Also moisturizing my face using the Face Shop's Chia Seed Brightening Lotion. And after that I'm going to start my makeup, and the first product that I'm using is a primer. Using a primer will extend the wear of your foundation. It smoothens out your skin. It helps in controlling oil. I'm using this one by Lakme, and I'm mostly applying it on the areas where I have large pores. Then moving on to the next step, I'm really confused which one to choose, whether a CC cream or a weightless mousse foundation, but as usual I am going with my Lakme 925 weightless mousse foundation. Now this is also one of my old favorite and is also really affordable. It's great for everyday wear, and this has a light to medium coverage and gives matte to satin finish. It looks very natural on the skin, which you would want for everyday wear. I'm sure you don't want too heavy on the skin. This is easily blendable. You don't require any makeup sponge or any brush for this. You can simply use your hands like I am doing. So this has given me a quite nice coverage on the face, but I want a little more under my eye area just to brighten it up and look more fresher. So I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It is one of my favorite concealer. It gives very good coverage, very thin consistency, and very easily blendable. Coming to the eyes, I'm using a matte brown eyeshadow. Now I know you don't have time in the morning, you can definitely skip this step, but I wanted to show you how you can do a quick look using a single eyeshadow. So I've used the matte brown color all over my crease as well as on my lids. Next I'm going to use my pen liner by Maybelline again. I almost forgot that I had this liner also. It is super black. The felt tip is really nice, suited best when you are running late for work. Then moving on, lining my eyes, I'm using Plum Kajal in the shade Black, a very nice everyday wear kajal. It is 100% smudge proof. Then I'm going to do my brows, just going to fill them up a little bit with my Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. If you don't have any eyebrow product, you can even use any matte brown eyeshadow. Brows are really important to frame your face, so do spend few seconds to just fill in the gap. and combing my brows. Now coming on to the cheeks, I'm using Colorbar's Touch and Blush in the shade Paparazzi Browns. This comes with an attached sponge which makes it easy to apply and blend on the cheeks. It gives the right amount of product to highlight the cheeks and prevents from applying excess blush. And once that is done, I'm going to do the last step, which is the lips. For lips, first I'm going to apply a lip liner by Kiko in the number 409. And then applying this lipstick by Lakme Masaba Lips in the shade Orange Candy. First I'm directly gonna apply it all over my lips. And then blot it with a tissue and remove the excess color and then reapply it. This process will make sure that your lipstick will stay for a longer duration. And then using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray all over my face to make sure that my makeup stays in place. So yeah, that's the final look and it's really easy, really simple. Also, if you guys have noticed that I haven't used mascara today because at times when I don't want to wear lens, so I wear specs, and so mascara gives a lot of volume and length to your lashes. So when your lashes touches the glasses, I think it's very uncomfortable and irritating when you blink your eyes. So that's why I haven't used mascara today. Otherwise, it's really easy, really simple, just the basic few products that you have to use. So that's all for today's video. I hope you really like this video, and if you do so, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.